Finn. It's Gaga again. Today's story is going to be Millions of Cats. Now, I read this book to your daddy and to Auntie Tegan. This book was published in 1928. This book is also by Wanda. Gaga. I love cats, so I love this book. So you can see, I've had this book since I taught first grade. Millions of Cat by Wanda Gaga. I hope I pronounced that right. Once upon a time, there was a very old man and a very old woman. They lived in a nice, clean house which had flowers all around it, except where the door was. But they couldn't be happy because they were so very lonely. See the house? And the old man and woman? If we only had a cat, sighed the very old woman. A cat? Asked the old man. Yes, a sweet little fluffy cat, said the very old woman. I will get you a cat, my dear, said the very old man. And he sat out over the hills and And he set out over the hills to look for one. He climbed over the sunny hills. He trudged through the cool valleys. He walked a long, long time. And at last he came to a hill which was quite covered with cats. The old man went on a hike. He went on a hike like you and Daddy went on yesterday. Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions of cats. Oh, excuse me. Millions and billions and trillions of cats. That's a lot of cats. See the picture? There's cats everywhere. Let's turn the page. Oh, cried the old man joyfully. Now I can choose the prettiest cat and take it home with me. So he chose one. So he chose one, and it was white. But just as he was about to leave, he saw another one, all black with white, and it seemed just as pretty as the first. So he took this one home also. Oh no, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think the old man is going to want to take all of the cats? But then he saw a fuzzy gray kitten way over here, which was every bit as pretty as the others. So he took it too. Oh no. And now he saw one way down in a corner, which he thought too lovely to leave. So he took this one too. Oh no, he's going to take all the cats. I don't know. And just then, over here, the very old man found a kitten, which was black and very beautiful. That's like Lucy, right? It would be a shame to leave that one, he said the very old man. So he took it. And now, over there, he saw a cat which had brown and yellow stripes like a baby tiger. Roar. I simply must take it, cried the very old man. And he did. So it happens that every time the very old man looked up, he saw another cat which was so pretty he could not bear to leave it. And before he knew it, he had chosen them all. All the cats. And so he went back over the sunny hills and down through the cool valleys to show all his pretty kittens to the very old woman. It was very funny to see those hundreds and thousands and millions and billions and trillions of cats following him. And there's the sunny hills and valleys, and there's the old man with his kittens and all of the cats. Ooh, look at all of those cats. What sound do cats make, Finn? Very good. Meow. Can you do that? Good job. They came to a pond. See the water? Meow, meow. We are thirsty, cried the hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. There's water. Well, here is a great deal of water, said the very old man. Each cat took a sip of water and the pond was gone. Meow, meow. Now we are hungry, said the hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. There is much grass on the hills, said the very old man. Each cat ate a mouthful of grass. And not a blade of grass was left. Oh my gosh, I think the cats are going to eat this man out of house and home. Pretty soon, the very old woman saw them coming. My dear, she cried. What are you doing? I asked for one little cat. And what do I see? Cats here, cats there, cats and kittens everywhere. Hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. Now, Finn, do you think that this woman and this man have enough room in their little house for all those cats? I don't think so. But we can feed them all, said the very old woman. Oh, excuse me, but we can never feed them all, said the little old woman. They will eat us out of house and home. I never thought of that, said the very old man. What shall we do? The very old woman thought for a while, and then she said, I know. We will let the cats decide which one we should keep. Oh, yes, said the very old man. And he called to the cats, which one of you is the prettiest of cats? I am. No, I'm the prettiest. I am, said the kitties. No, I am, cried hundreds and thousands and millions and billions and trillions of cats. Oh, for each cat thought itself the prettiest, and they began to quarrel. Finn, do you know what the word quarrel means? It means to be upset and argue back and forth and back and forth. They did it bit. They bit and they scratched and they clawed each other and made such a great noise that the very old man and the very old woman ran into the house as fast as they could. They did not like such quarreling. I have to tell you, nobody likes quarreling. But after a while, the noise stopped and the very old man and the very old woman peeped out the window to see what had happened. They could not see a single cat. Oh, I wonder what happened. I think they must have eaten each other all up, said the very old woman. That's too bad. But look, said the very old man, and he pointed to a bunch of high grass. In it sat one little frightened kitten. They went out and picked it up. It was thin and scraggly. Here's the picture of the old man and the old woman finding the kitten. See the kitten right there in the grass? Poor little kitty, said the old woman. Dear little kitty, said the very old man. How does it happen that you were not eaten up with all those hundreds and thousands and millions and billions and trillions of cats? Oh, I'm just a very homely little cat, said the kitten. Do you know what the word homely means? It means not very attractive, not very pretty. He said, oh, I'm just a very homely little cat, said the kitten. So when you asked who was the prettiest, I didn't say anything, so nobody bothered me. They took the kitten into the house where the very old woman gave it a warm bath and brushed its fur until it was soft and shiny. See the picture? There's the old woman and the little kitten. So cute. Every day they gave it plenty of milk. See, it's eating, just like Lucy. And soon it grew nice and plump. There it is, all nice and plump. And it was a very pretty cat after all, said the very old woman. And it was the most beautiful cat in the whole world, said the very old man. I ought to know, for I've seen hundreds of cats, thousands of cats, millions and billions and trillions of cats. And not one was as pretty as this one. And there they are sitting around. The grandma is knitting and the old man is enjoying her knitting. And there's the little kitten playing with a ball of yarn. The end. Wasn't that a nice story? I have a kitten. Do you? I hope you enjoyed the reading of Millions of Cats. If you like this story, like the video and follow along for more. I love you, Finn. Bye. Gaga signing off.